What would your last words be, Jeff? So you got to think about these things.
Mine would be...
What goes on your tombstone?
Somebody in the Discord, Mashed Potato, says it should be another TWiT is in the can.
Good.
That's pretty good. That might be it.
Yeah.
Previously on TWiT. Home Theater Geeks.
On today's Home Theater Geeks, we're going to talk about Sony's 2023 TV lineup. So stay tuned.
This Week in Google.
OpenAI announced ChatGPT-4 yesterday. Within hours, there were 500 new startups.
Yeah.
It's kind of mind-boggling. Have you changed how you write?
I have.
Are you getting more wacky?
Writing, yeah, a little more colorful, a little less robotic. My prediction is that this is eventually going to be where writing goes.
Hands-on photography.
Someone asked me about using their phone like a DSLR. Well, why would you do that? And should you really do that? I have some thoughts.
Tech News Weekly.
We talked to TechCrunch's own Alex Wilhelm about, yes, Silicon Valley Bank. It is time to talk about SVB. What's going on?
I feel like whenever something breaks, I get to come on your fine show. It'd be fun to come on a week when nothing was happening and just kick it.
Boy.
TWiT.
I'm just saying, like, we don't have to wait for a crisis to have me on.
When we just want to hang out, we will contact you and we'll bring you on for the hangout episode.
Sold.